What's up guys, it's HoneyBuilder2Z7B, and in this short video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your colors from Blender into Roblox with it all being one mesh. So I know a lot of people ask this question, and if you have ever wanted to do what I'm talking about, then this video is for you. It'll be very short, very simple, and yeah, I'll go ahead and show you how to do that right now. So the first thing I did was I found a color palette on Google. I like this one because it has a lot of options from saturation to hue, yeah, and contrast. So I really like this one, so I went ahead and downloaded it. It's unnamed. So the first thing you are going to want to do is think about what you want to color. So maybe many of you already have a mesh that you want to be colored. So I'm going to go ahead and make a simple tree. Maybe add an isosphere. Just make a very simple tree. Alright, now that we have our tree, let me just make this look a little better, even though it doesn't matter. Always gotta obsess over the details. Alright, now that we have our tree, let's go ahead and texture it. So, first thing you're going to want to do is join it. And then select all of it and go, or no, not select all of it, sorry. Go to UV editing. First, go to shading and press Shift A and look up image texture. Go ahead and drag color to base color. Open your color palette. And as you can see, it is projected onto our mesh. And in order for us to get the desired colors that we want, go ahead and navigate over to UV editing. Select the part that you want to color. Press A, S, 0. And now what that does is selects all of it, scales it down to 0. So I want to make the tree trunk like a brownish color. That is not brown. Let's see, that's better. Okay, and select all the rest. Deselect the trunk, scale it down to 0, and then drag that into a greenish color. And you can add color variation if you want, make it look a little better. Obviously, this is not the best tree in the world, but just for the sake of the example, I'm showing you how to use this technique. So we have our beautiful tree now, and we can go ahead and export it as tree, and then we can import it into Roblox as tree. Just give it a second. And then, as you can see, I've already done this example once just to make sure that I've got everything down, and it has imported with all our beautiful colors, and it's just one mesh. So this will help with performance, and yeah, we also got to import our texture just to make sure that there are not any hiccups with there we go. Import our texture to make sure there's no hiccups with saving. There we go. It's all imported. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's very simple, very quick video explaining how you basically transfer your colors from Blender into Roblox. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.